Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a free Azure account. I'm actually a data scientist by trade, never really had to use a free account myself. I'm going to jump right in and see how this looks like for you guys. So let's see, an Azure free account. There you go. And one of the first things you see right here is, of course, the first link, get started with 12 months of free services. I'm just going to take a look at some other links here. Looks like there's also an Azure for Students right here that gives you a free account credit. And since I am not a student, I'm not really going to be using that one. I'm just going to go ahead and do the first link right here. And this is the first website that you land on. And as soon as you take a look, you can already see that there's clearly two options here to start free or pay as you go. And looks like some of their popular services are free for about 12 months. And they also have about 40 plus other services that's free always, which is pretty cool. And it looks like you get to start off with about $200 of Azure credit. You have about 30 days to use it, in addition to the 40 plus services that are always free. So one of the things that I'm really noticing from the beginning here is how clean and straightforward everything is. You can clearly see the types of services that you're signing up for, the amount of free credits you're getting, and the number of days you actually get to use them. So that's actually pretty neat. And over here, you can see some sample use case studies that you can try to learn, either just for fun or you have a pet project that you want to take a look at. And after your credit, looks like they also give you a collection of free services. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at this really quickly. And yep, they actually go ahead and list all the different services and the types and what type of free monthly amounts, and if it's always free or just free for the first 12 months. And I also see this cool little board right here. I'm not sure what you can take a look at here. And looks like there's an Azure chat bot that you can just get started, ask some questions, probably gives you some cool resources. So definitely check that out. And in our case, we're just gonna go ahead and click free because I like free things. So right here, this brings you up to a page for Sign Up Azure. It gives you the three important things that we had just talked about. You just have to go ahead and sign in with your name, phone, email address, give your addresses, and of course, you would definitely need a card when you sign up. However, it does make it pretty clear here that there will be no automatic charges. And only after your credit, they'll be asking you if you want to continue with the pay as go or if you want to cancel your account. So it looks like you get a pretty good time to just explore, and it seems pretty straightforward. So go ahead and try it, guys, and let me know if there's any other cool videos that you want to see about Azure, and hope to see you guys in the next video.
Hello, hello. So today we'll go through creating a free account on AWS. We'll just see. So it gave me a bunch of results, and I think the most relevant one for us is the first one and probably the second one. So we'll just click here. Good, it takes me to the AWS Free Tier page, which has the link for you to move forward, but we can go check out some of this information here. It says you can use up to more than 100 products and start building on AWS using the free tier, which is pretty impressive. Being able to use the entire AWS suite with the account. You get free trials, and it starts from the date you activate a particular service. You get 12 months free, and then the free tier does not expire, and it's available to all AWS customers. Here it basically shows you all the resources that are included with the free tier service. Check out all these amazing services that you can use with the account and the resources you have, basically the credit you have, credit for resources you have on each of them. So it's pretty impressive. So you can, everything from EC2 to machine learning, analytics, CloudWatch. So it's for monitoring AWS cloud resources. So a pretty impressive set of products that you can check out if you have an account. So we'll just go ahead and click here. So it asks you for your email address. We will have versus Azure, gmail.com. We'll put our password in. It needs to be uppercase. It needs to have at least one uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, some numbers, and non-alphanumeric characters, which is probably $signs, at the rate, or hash. So make sure you have those in your password. Okay, then we're going to decide on an account name. We'll go with Aws versus Azure. Let's see where that takes us. So it gave me a CAPTCHA challenge. So I'll try to solve it. Just trying to verify whether I'm not a bot creating this account. Oh, once you have that in, you can click the so it shows you, asks you what purpose will you be using AWS for. So we'll just select personal for now for your own projects. You select business if you're creating this account for your work, school, or organization. You can have our full name here. Phone number. United States address. Tempe. You have to agree to terms and conditions. You can go and read them. And it asks you for a credit card, debit or a credit. We're just gonna, they're not gonna charge you anything. Basically, they will charge you $1 just to check if this credit card is legitimate. And then it asks you to confirm your identity. So you can do that to confirm basically your phone number. You can input your phone number here. Make you do a lot of work. Well, sent me a code on my phone and I just received it. Didn't take too much time for me to receive it. So I'll just enter the code and click continue. So now it gives you three options. Is it a basic account or developer support? So basic account is recommended for new users just getting started with AWS, which sounds a lot like what we're trying to do. Obviously, you get more benefits and more support. If you go higher tier, pay more charges per month. And then you can also get enterprise support, which is a completely different type of account. But since we're doing basic support free account, we'll just select this one and complete our sign up. Oh, it says congratulations. Thank you for signing up for AWS.